News from the CDC today, based here in Atlanta. The UK variant of coronavirus is now the dominant form of the disease here in the U.S. Health experts say this is bad news for younger Americans because the strain is more transmissible and more infectious in people 30 and under, and that includes kids.
Across the country, we are hearing reports of clusters of cases associated with daycare centers and youth sports. Hospitals are seeing more and more younger adults, those in their 30s and 40s, admitted with severe disease.
So to slow the spread, Dr. Walensky says states with growing numbers should suspend youth sports.
As this variant spreads, the so-called vaccine passports being hotly debated right now.
Should one be required for travel or even to dine inside a restaurant? CBS 46's Ashley Thompson is live at Hartsfield-Jackson Airport with how travelers are reacting to this concept. And that's really all it is at this point, just an idea.
That's right. It is a concept at this point, Rick. And you know, to travel to a number of countries, you either have to produce a negative COVID-19 test or you have to quarantine for a period of time. Some believe these COVID-19 vaccine passports will help bypass those steps, but not everyone is a fan.
Vaccine passports. The concept may be foreign to some, but in other parts of the world, proof of vaccination against certain diseases is required.
For some countries, vaccination against yellow fever has always been required for entry.
COVID-19 vaccine passports now up for debate, and travelers have no shortage of opinions.
I think it should be somebody's preference if they want to get it or not.
While some believe the passports could help with virus mitigation, others say requiring them for travel and other activities crosses a line.
I think it's a bit frustrating to have that kind of, intrusiveness into your life.
A Republican congressman in California introducing a bill that would ban requiring the passports.
Getting an injection is a very personal and invasive thing, so people should not be forced into having a passport and saying yes or no, you may not travel.
Governor Brian Kemp also making it clear he is not on board, tweeting, quote, "I do not and will not support any kind of state-mandated vaccine passport." Dr. Henry Wu, director of Emory University's Travel Well Center, says the debate will likely rage on.
Whether or not these mandates are there or not or prohibited, I think it should not change the message, which I think the governor totally agrees with, that these vaccines are extremely safe and effective.
And New York has already rolled out an app where people can voluntarily upload proof of vaccination. So some states are taking steps towards this. Other states are saying no way. Live in Atlanta, I'm Ashley Thompson, CBS 46 News.